Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable a feature that will send helpful tips to the users of your or members of your server on the Discord application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the Discord button down below on the left side corner of the screen. After that, tap on the second button at the top of the screen on the left side, the server image. Click on the More button indicated with 3 dots at the top. Then click on Settings. Click on Overview, which is the first option within the Settings category. Scroll down to System Messages Settings. And here you can find the fourth option, Send Helpful Tips for Server Setup. Click on this button on the right side, and after that tap on the Save button in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.